Dominoes apps that offer real money games are usually skill-based competitions, so the biggest difference between them isn't the dominoes themselves. It's how each app handles tournaments, entry fees, prizes, and withdrawals. By the end, you'll know 5 Dominoes apps worth checking in 2026 and what to verify before you put any money into a match. Number 5 is Dominoes Gold. It offers several Dominoes formats and competitive matches, giving players a way to play against other people, instead of relying only on single-player games. Check the current cash game availability in your location before depositing. Number 4 is Dominoes Club. This type of app focuses on multiplayer dominoes, with competitive matches and tournament-style gameplay. The main advantage is that you can learn the game format against other players before deciding whether the paid competitions are worth using. Number 3 is Dominoes Royale. It combines traditional Dominoes gameplay with competitive multiplayer features. If you already know games such as all fives or draw dominoes, the transition is straightforward because the basic objective stays familiar, while the scoring system determines the winner. Number 2 is Dominoes Cash. Its focus is specifically on competitive dominoes and cash prize gameplay. Before entering a paid match, check the current entry fee, prize amount, and withdrawal rules shown inside the app, because those details can change. Number 1 is Dominoes Gold. It gets the top spot because the combination of multiplayer gameplay and competitive formats makes it a stronger option for players who specifically want dominoes rather than solitaire, bingo, or other cash game categories. But there's a detail you should check before downloading any real money dominoes app. An app advertising cash prizes doesn't automatically mean you can withdraw directly to Cash App or PayPal. Payment methods depend on the individual app, your location, and sometimes your account. The same applies to real money. Some apps let you play for free, while cash tournaments can require an entry fee. A free game is not automatically a cash game. So the ranking is Dominoes Gold at number 1, Dominoes Cash at number 2, Dominoes Royale at number 3, Dominoes Club at number 4, and Dominoes Gold at number 5. Before using any paid competition, open the withdrawal and tournament sections first. Check the available payment method, entry fee, prize structure, eligibility requirements, and minimum withdrawal amount. Then play the free mode before depositing anything. That lets you understand the scoring system without risking money. These games are competitive, so cash prizes aren't guaranteed. Treat paid matches as entertainment rather than guaranteed income. If you want more rankings of real money game apps, like the video and subscribe.